Hello everyone, my name is Michelle Tang. I working project is a backend database design. I made a slide. This is my database design. And this is the prototype and the table. And I show you this one. Sorry. Actually, I think I opened it. Yeah, so have one user table and have the row and have the tokens. When users register from front end, they can store data to data table. I have one entity set data and another one source data. Source data get from Sans Scream API and then query the data. Set data generated data stored in this table. And diagnosis, I just test to see if they're successful. And I use the IntelliJ IDE Spring Boot implement the code, designed one schedule and schedule every 5 minutes generated data from the source data and query data from iSense stream the API every 2 days get the data, create the service. This is the API from Yahoo Bay users, and here is the entity, the repository. This is the service, generated the data set, the code. So I make status 1 is active, 0 is off. In future, you get any website, the API. If you want it, you keep active. You don't want it, you just turn it on 0. So this save a lot of database upgraded. And those my database connected, you can see I got the real data from the Yahoo Bay website 1. My SQL. So my SQL, you can see I have a data source table and then row table, set data. So you can see all the real data get from there inquired. The important is the design. You use time or use the status, and you don't want to require the data repeated. So I have to set up the time. I set up timer like delay, not add 1, so the next one record a lot repeated. Thank you very much. My new next step is fish data. I will be required by the Yahoo Bay, what are the details, I will be build the data fish and then save in the database. Front end can retrieve the data to analysis and visualization. Thank you very much.